Here we go. Here we go. What happened to all the windows? I'll tell you one thing I don't like about mobile homes. Why don't they put any paper under the vinyl siding? That's ridiculous. You couldn't get away with that on a house. House wrap is absolutely needed. So I guess they're just getting away with it somehow, and I'm just not sure. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can see it or not, but boy, this siding, it is so bowed. It's garbage. Look at that. It's bowed terrible. Can't actually see it, but it's bowing out terrible. Look at that.
You hear that?
Yeah. Oh, I know, it's terrible. Yeah, it's because it's bowed out so far. And then look at this end. You can see the end. Look at all the curves in that thing. It's not supposed to look like that. So now I'm trying to put the stuff together, and it won't go together.
You see the crack? See the crack right there?
Yeah. I put this piece together, and this piece here is so warped that they won't even go together. Leaving me big gaps. See, the bottom is normal, but right there's a warp in it. And down here, it's real bad. My goodness, it's caved in so far, it's not even funny. Yeah. Oh my word. That's insanity right there, Paul.
Yeah. You see it better now?
There's a shadow. Oh, I see a shadow. Yeah, you can see that. Oh God. Look at that. Yeah, I'm taking it off.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it's just insanity. Is there one right place on here? It's pretty bad. No, that's normal.
This?
It's caved in right here. And the end is real warped bad. This siding is no good. Garbage. Can't believe how bad that's bowed out. That's terrible. I mean, you can see it.
That don't do it.
You can see that crap.
Yeah, that don't do it.
Window number uno. Left-handed Paul. Window wrap. This is the way you wrap a window. Window will never leak if you do this to it. And that's what they call it, window wrap. Full window wrap. Whoa. 2 windows ready to go in. They are ready. Wrapped. I love the wrap on the windows, guys. I don't like leaving that out. So important to me. These windows are so much better than them windows. So we got to throw these in. We got 2 more. Getting ready to slap these 2 in right here. That's in my living room. Oh yes, we are ready. And then them 2 right there, and that's it. Huh? Yep. Yeah. That's beautiful. Did you nail them up? Oh yeah. Yeah. Be different.
Yeah.
2 more. Left-handed Paul. He did the windows. He's my left-hand man. And my right-hand man when I need him. Since I really haven't said anything, literally, about these old windows. Basically what we have, actually, we have a window with J-channel. So these windows are built into, J-channel built into them. The flange isn't very big, so when you're putting your nails in, it's definitely close. But these are the old windows with the grids, and they've been in there for quite some time, so some of them didn't actually work properly, so it's time to get them out. But they put them with mastic. You see that mastic on the back there? We're caulking I was in with Lexel, but this is the old window. And they basically just come out very easy, right, Paul? I mean, the staples, once you get behind it with a flat bar, Paul used that flat bar, you got behind that flange. Once you got one side up, that basically, and part of the bottom corner, it pulled right out. So
Yep.
these windows literally come out. And the next thing, we're gonna clean up all that mastic stuff that's all the way around it. Our problem is our flange on our window, meaning from outside to inside, here is 1.5 inches. We have 1 3/4 on our new windows. So that means they don't fit. They fit width-wise, but they won't fit in-wise. So we ended up having to take literally right here 1/4 inch off all the way around. And that's what we've done to 3 of them windows, Paul?
Yep.
3 of them. One of them wasn't trimmed out at all, so we'll do that later. But 3 of them we had to literally do that to. So we're doing the same thing to these. Since they wouldn't fit depth-wise, we're cutting 1/4 inch off of that all the way around. We're using a skill saw and a Dremel, and it seems to be working fairly good, so we're gonna keep rocking on that. And that's where we're at so far. We got the last 2 windows. Yeah, and if you're wanting to buy caulking for anything and you want it to be there for a long time, don't buy silicone. 100% silicone is just, really doesn't stick. You know, over time you can just pull it off. Very easily just dragged off of there. We like to, yeah, it's just garbage. We use Lexel, Lexell, Lexel. This is some old silicone caulking that they use on these windows. Look at this. You don't want to use caulking that you can do that to. That's not very good caulking. It's not stuck very well. That's why we use Lexel. Not easy, but it could be done. Last 2. Last 2. It's a nice wrap. It's a nice wrap. That's what you want. Nice wrap. And then we're gonna Lexel the flange in the back, all the way around. I like it. I just like it. Beautiful windows.
You don't got to put no nails in it. This. Yeah, put 4 nails in it. That's all you need.
Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and put them all. Just saying.
Yeah, but you don't.
By the way, this is my house. I'm doing this too. Every window in the whole house been changed except for these 6. So it was time.
Yeah.
And these are nice windows.
This is the hot side of the house too.
Yeah, oh, this is the hot side. All right, here we go. I love them. I absolutely love them. I'm not calling any name brand. If you get windows at Lowe's or a Builders First, Pelican, whatever they call them places, you're gonna get good windows. These are DP50s, low E, tinted. I love that tint. Roof? What are you talking about? New windows, new paper on the wall, which it never had. Windows wrapped. Yeah, I do like that silver wrap.